The Bridgestone World Solar Challenge has the reputation of being one of the most difficult solar challenges available.
We've been working very hard as a team for the past 2 years anticipating this moment, and it's surreal that we're actually here now. You could have the best car, but if you don't have the best team around it, you can't win.
It's a very great competition, a friendly rivalry as well.
You see a solar car, but I see a collection of intellectual property that we'd like to keep secret from our competitors as well a little bit.
Every area of technology counts here. In the area of tires, it's all about a combination of energy efficiency and durability.
We're extremely excited to be using the Enlighten this year, and we're even more excited to see how this technology develops over the next few years.
What does it take? A great car, a great team, a lot of endurance, a lot of commitment, and of course 3,000 kilometers.
We expect a lot of wind, road trains, some kangaroos along the way, and we're really looking forward to getting to drive down, and hopefully we'll get to the finish line.
Testing is absolutely critical. We've been through scrutineering, we've been able to test on the track. We are ready to take on the Bridgestone World Solar Challenge.
It was exciting while coming into the city because of the traffic.
We had a lot of traffic merging, traffic turning.
It's feeling quite well actually driving here. It's quite hot as expected. I overtook 2 long road trains. Quite impressive, I would say.
Drove 750 kilometers without any tire problems, and when we checked them we saw that they were basically still brand new.
The car went absolutely smooth, no flat tires at all, so it's been a pleasure to work with the Bridgestone Enlighten.
I mean, honestly, their reliability and efficiency has made sort of all the difference for us.
Our battery is pretty drained. We did collect sun, of course, throughout the day, which was really, really crucial, but now that the car is standing, it can collect the final rays of sunshine.
So it's been grueling, it's tough, it's hot out here.
Temperatures in the solar cars are typically about 10 degrees hotter than air temperature, which today it's been about 39 degrees.
This is the world's greatest solar challenge. It's a challenge for a reason. It's going well, but we're working hard.
For sure, this is one of the greatest adventures of our lives. Definitely pays off all the effort.
It's been fantastic, quite the experience. It's really great seeing all the different cars. And Adelaide, we're on our way, we're halfway there.
Words can't describe it. We've all worked so hard for this. To finish here in Adelaide first, it's amazing. It took a huge effort from the complete team, extended team, alumni, media team, drivers, you name it, they put their absolute effort into it.
The World Solar Challenge is amazing. It pushes the bounds of sustainability to levels unknown to mankind at this moment, and I just think it's changing the world.
The World Solar Challenge for us is one of the big platform for the future sustainable motorsports.
The innovation here is incredible. This event is making the world a better place.
We are using the Enlighten technology for this year the tire. We will transfer to this technology to the road tire.